Hi, I'm Greg from TRAXDA Lift Kits, and I'm here to talk to you about the differences between our lift blocks and some of the other ones you might see on the market. When you have a truck with a factory lift block, like some of the Chevy half-ton 4x4s, for example, they'll come with a cast block from the factory. And if you look in the aftermarket, you'll see a lot of aftermarket cast blocks, and you'll see some cast aluminum blocks. You'll see some extruded aluminum blocks, and you'll see people have made blocks out of everything. I even saw a guy made a block out of a 2x4 once. Don't make it out of a 2x4. So what we do is we take strap steel, we punch it in our iron worker. We make all our blocks out of fabricated steel. It's interesting, we were the first lift kit company to do that. Now I see that 3 or 4 other companies are doing it and copied us. And the reason we did that is because we felt it would be a better product. When you have a cast product at the OEM level, they're making the product by the million. So they're very good at making precision castings, well tested, not going to break. When you come to the aftermarket, we make products by the hundreds or the thousands, and you just can't get the same quality out of a casting at that product level. So we fabricate them out of steel. The fabricated part is stronger, more ductile, it'll last longer, it gives us less problems. The other nice thing about these fabricated blocks is that we can make them any height you want, because all we have to do is change the length of the center pipe and it'll be a different height. For example, this is a 3-inch block that we use in a Chevy half-ton to replace the stock block that's in it. You'll notice it's exactly the same, it's just got a longer center section. The other style block we make is the fabricated block. That's this one here. This fabricated block, it's got a 3/8 core, it's got 1/4-inch plate welded around it, and you'll notice it's got a taper on the top. This taper is to correct pinion angle, and if you want to compare it, here's the cast equivalent. Now don't forget, every pound you add to your vehicle decreases your gas mileage, so you might want to think twice about putting that back-braking part in there. Our fabricated blocks are available in several different sizes. If you need something custom, just let us know. And also remember, because we make all of our parts in the USA, we can do other custom tricks like custom colors, custom finishes. Send it to you unpainted, whatever you like. To go with the blocks, we have our really nicely made, in North America, not Asia, zinc-plated U-bolts. The reason we go to the trouble and expense of zinc plating them is so that we don't have rust problems. Now, we're in Arizona, nothing rusts in Arizona, but it seems like the rest of the country has rain and snow and salt and winter, which we don't have here. So I really recommend you get the zinc-plated bolts if you care about the back end of your truck looking nice, especially if you had it for a year. Little extras are thicker washers and taller nuts, which give you extra strength and they won't fail on you. Now, a lot of people are confused on how the blocks work. I'll just draw you a quick little sketch. If you imagine that we have, I'm just going to sketch the back axle of the truck. We've got a leaf spring, we'll have an axle tube, and then you're going to put your block right here, pinned down on the axle. We supply you with the U-bolts and nuts you need. You put those on as well, and you're good to go. This is a job that can be done in the driveway quite easily, but it's even easier on a 2-post hoist. If you have any other questions, or need any more information about our blocks, or want to talk about customizations, just give us a call at 888-660-5892. And if you hit extension 8, that's tech support, you'll get me. Thanks and have a great day.